So I have this really cool teleprompter from Ulanzi that for one is very small and portable and easy to set up. 2, it has a lot of attachments for different devices. And 3, it works really, really well. So let me just keep reading this teleprompter so I can tell you all about this teleprompter, and quickly because it's Thursday. So right out of the box, you get the teleprompter with this really nice material here, which just adds a little bit of quality design to it. You also have a phone mount on here so that you can record with your phone. You have a bunch of filter heads for different lenses, so you can put that on your bigger cameras. And you also have a mount that you can put on your laptop if you wanted to record with your laptop camera. You also get a remote control that connects to your phone via Bluetooth so that you can control the app. The teleprompter unit itself looks really great. It has 3 cold shoe mounts around it, so you can put on extra lights or microphones. There's also a quarter thread mount on the bottom, so you can either use a little tripod, but alternatively, you could just balance it right on the lens itself because it's not that heavy. So you put it on your camera and then you open this flap right here, and this is where you can put your phone, or you can even put your iPad if you want the text to be up a little bit bigger. And it just reflects off the glass, and the camera doesn't even see that glass, it just goes right through it. So it looks like you're looking in the lens, but you are actually reading your script. There is a free teleprompter app that you can download, and you can just paste your scripts in right here, and then you can just hit play, and then you can just read it. And a little tip is that if you stand further back from it, you don't look like you're reading it. Like, you won't see your eyes like going from side to side like you are reading, like I'm reading right now. You don't want to see that. You just kind of want to step back a little bit, and then it looks a lot more natural. But there we go, time is up. This is actually really nice. It's so much easier just to read a script instead of like looking off camera or trying to memorize it. So that's kind of a nice touch, even if it's just bullet points or something like that. And on a personal note, I actually bought this one a couple of years ago, and honestly, I've never even really properly used it because it's such a pain in the butt to set up, and it's so big and bulky. If my camera stuck out this far, this would make it stick out that far, and I just didn't have that kind of room. But the Ulanzi teleprompter is such a low profile setup that you can really just use it anywhere, and it barely takes up any space at all. So waste of money. But the Ulanzi one is definitely worth your money. And currently you can pick this thing up for $50 US, but do check out the link in the description in case there are any sales or we have any coupon codes for it. But that's it for today's 30-second Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.